Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to University of Alberta. So first of all, you have to open a Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you preferably prefer. And on the URL section, you have to type down Alberta University and enter it after you're done. And over here, you can see the University of Alberta right over here, the official website. Click on that and you'll get a page like this. And you cannot find the login section from here, but you have to open the admission program right here, and you can choose the undergraduate you want to apply, or graduate, or continuing education, or any other program you could see right over here. And I'm going to go with the undergraduate programs admission requirements here on the second section. Click on that, and right over here in the right hand side we could see there's an apply now. Click on that option, and we have to scroll a bit down over here and click on the apply now again. And here we could see a page where it says, are you logging in to review or continue a current application for admission? So right here, click that and say yes, and a login option appears, and you have to simply click on the login in order to log in. And all you need to do is email address you have to give and also your password, and you can simply log in and you'll be successfully logged into your University of Alberta account. But if you have forgotten your password or lose access to your password, click on this option that says forgot your password right over here in the green font, and then you'll get to recover your password as well. So this is it guys, this is how you can log into your University of Alberta account. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.